In today's video, I will walk you through how to find your username on Telegram web. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. Your Telegram username is a unique identifier that allows other people to find and contact you without needing your phone number. If you've already created a username, you can quickly view it through Telegram web whenever you need to share it with someone or confirm what it is. From the menu, select Settings. This will open your account settings, where you can view and manage your profile information. At the top of the settings page, you'll see your profile details, including your name, profile photo, and other account information. Look for the username section. If you've already set up a username, it will be displayed here with the @ symbol in front of it. This is the username you can share with others so they can easily find your Telegram account. If the username field is empty, it means you haven't created a Telegram username yet. You can also use your username to create a personal Telegram link. Once a username has been assigned to your account, your profile can typically be reached using a link in the format t.me/yourusername, making it easy to share your Telegram profile with others. If you ever decide to change your username, simply return to the same username section in your settings, enter a new available username, and save your changes. Your updated username will replace the previous one immediately. Remember that changing your username doesn't affect your existing chats, contacts, groups, or channels. It simply changes the public username people use to find your account. And that's how to find your username on Telegram web.